The main three header topics of a family law case or divorce in California consists of division of assets and debts. We refer to that jointly as property, custody of children and setting up a parenting plan, and then support. Within each of those three categories, there are a lot of nuances and twists and turns in terms of figuring out how those things are going to be resolved. The important overriding issue with regard to a family law case in California dealing specifically with property is that California is a community property state. Most of us understand community property means that whatever we acquire during our marriage, between the date of marriage and the date that we separate, is community. It means it belongs to the couple. And upon a separation or divorce, those things have to be divided equally unless the parties agree to something else. In the absence of an agreement, the court is going to split everything down the middle. Now, the reality for that situation is that most people end up having to sell things because, for example, if a family has a residence, usually it's a situation where one cannot afford to buy the equity of the other person. It's usually, several $100,000s in the current housing market to do that. And on one income versus two, the ability to afford to do that is very difficult.